Hey there, welcome to my video today. If you're new to my channel, my name's Molly. Thanks so much for being here. If you have been around before, you know how much I love making detox drinks and how much I love using apple cider vinegar. So apple cider vinegar, it does not taste good, but it is so good for you. So I have been making tons of different drinks with apple cider vinegar with some other ingredients just to make it taste a little bit better. And I finally got my husband on board to start drinking apple cider vinegar. There's just so many awesome health benefits. And once I started listing them for him, he finally got on board. So he still doesn't like the taste, but this one is really good with frozen lemonade. It really just masks the flavor of straight apple cider vinegar. So some of the awesome health benefits for apple cider vinegar is that it can help aid in weight loss, which is really wonderful if you add it to a healthy diet and an active lifestyle. So adding apple cider vinegar is really great and can aid in weight loss. It's really good for heart health, really good for your skin health also. It can lower your blood sugar. It is great for anybody who has diabetes. It is all around such a healthy thing to have if you are just trying to be healthy at all in general. So I am going to make a big batch of this up to have it ready for the next few days for us. Like I said, now that my husband's drinking it, I'm gonna prep a few more than normal so that we can get through a couple days. But I like to drink 2 a day of these, usually before meals in the morning and in the afternoon. So I'm going to make up my lemonade and then I'll add in a tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar into each bottle. If you've been around my channel, you know I use these bottles for everything. They are the best. Just got a big pack of these on Amazon. So they are really awesome. I will put a link to these in the description box. Really, really great quality. So I'm gonna get this lemonade made up. All right, so these are all prepped and ready to go for the week. I just love having these ready. You could just grab them out of the refrigerator and have one, and they are really so good. I mean, I know apple cider vinegar does not taste great. So if you just mix it with something that does taste good, you can totally drink it. So I have a ton of apple cider vinegar drink recipes on my channel. I have a whole playlist. So I will link that playlist in the description box. Check it out when you have time and let me know what other apple cider vinegar drinks you guys like because they are just so good for you. I love just making these, having them ready for the week just to get healthy, especially summertime. Always want to be extra healthy during the summer for some reason. I don't know. I always want to be healthier. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. Like I said, I have tons of apple cider vinegar drink recipes, tons of healthy meal prepping. If you're looking for some meal prep inspiration, go check out the rest of my channel and some other videos. Hope that you have a really great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.